anchor, no shore, no promise to see.
In her eyes there rests a silent sea. I don't know why, but I long to drown endlessly. Her gaze feels like a twilight shore, so blue. If I break like waves, I find refuge in her view.
No anchor, no shore, no promise to see. A deep quiet hides beneath her lashes light, like pearls asleep in waters out of sight. I wander like a boat lost from the land. She calls like the horizon, fate takes my hand.
No anchor, no shore, no promise to see.
Clouds of silence drift within her stare,
And winds descend through my deserts bare.
sometimes like tide she comes close, then retreats.
Sometimes like waves, touches and softly defeats.
No anchor, no shore, no promise to see. If I am a story written upon sand, she is the ocean erasing by command. No anchor, no shore, no promise to see.
Only the depth of her eyes and drowning me. No anchor, no shore, no promise to see.
Is this love, or the river's call so deep?
When I drown, it feels like something I keep.
In her eyes the ocean stands still and slow, and I don't know why, but I want to let go. No anchor, no shore, no promise to see. No anchor, no shore, no promise to see.